part of the video, we're going to be talking about the reading part of the Ielts exam in great detail. I'm also going to provide my best tips that I know help many of my students. Some of the biggest complaints I hear about the reading section is that students can't read all of the content comfortably in the time frame that's given to you. Or the question format is just too advanced for them to really understand. Now, in this part of the Ielts exam, there is a difference between general and academic, and I'm going to go through both exams in great detail equally. The reading part of the exam is the second part of the exam. Both the academic and the general last for 60 minutes and have 40 questions. The main difference between the two is that the academic uses more writing, the language used is more advanced, and the paragraphs of the writing are longer. So for average English speakers, it might be a little bit hard to understand, but with practice, it becomes much more familiar. The reading test will be handed out to you in paper form, and you have the full 60 minutes to complete it in whichever order you feel is easier for you. Some people like to start at the end, and some like to start at the beginning. It's really up to you and how comfortable you feel. Not a lot of people realize that you have this option, so feel free to play with it. My advice is by starting at the beginning, it allows you to kind of warm up as the questions start easy and get harder towards the end. So it's kind of like a workout. With the answer sheet of the reading section, it's best to write your answers directly onto the answer sheet straight away. This will save you time throughout the test. Remember, you have to use a pencil. When it comes to the styles of questions, there are a set range of styles used, such as multiple choice, identifying information, identifying writers' views or claims, matching information, matching headings, matching features, matching sentence endings, sentence completion, summary completion, note completion, table completion, flowchart completion, diagram label completion, and short answer questions. Keep in mind that you are given 40 questions to answer and only 60 minutes to answer them. That gives you exactly 1.5 minutes per question. Throughout this part of the videos, I'm going to explain the test first and then look at my tips and advice on how to get a good score.